Welcome to this tutorial on how to generate a video using ChatGPT and Lumen5. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use these powerful tools to create a professional-looking video. Step 1. Generate a script using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT website and sign up for an account. Use ChatGPT with information about the topic of the video, such as a recipe or instructions, example, script for French crepe recipe. ChatGPT will generate a script for you, which you can then use as the basis for your video. Step 2. Use Lumen5 to turn the script into a video. Go to the Lumen5 website and sign up for an account. Input the script generated by ChatGPT into the Lumen5 platform. Lumen5 will automatically create a video based on the script, using text, images, and videos to bring the story to life. Step 3. Customize the video in Lumen5. Choose a template that fits the style of your video. Add images and videos to enhance the visual appeal of the video. Adjust the text and layout to create the perfect look and feel for your video. Step 4. Export and share the video. Once you are satisfied with the final product, click on Publish. You can download the video. And there you have it. By using ChatGPT and Lumen5, you can easily create a professional-looking video with minimal effort. Give it a try today.